guys, welcome. So before I jump right into showing you guys how to do the standing stitches, I'm just going to explain what a standing stitch is. So a standing stitch is a technique in crochet where you use it to start a new round or a new row, especially when you are like changing colors without having to do the whole slip stitching and chaining one. So initially it eliminates that part of crochet where you need to do chains. That is what a standing stitch is. And in most cases, people use it because it is much more neater. That's probably the most reason for a much neater look. Okay, so now that you know what that is, again, it's a stitch usually with a different color that you want to start with a new round or a row, but you don't want to start with the normal way of doing it with the chains, right? Okay, so now that's explained. I'm going to show you guys how to do a standing single crochet, a standing half a double, and a standing double crochet stitch. So first of all, we're going to start with, let's start with a single crochet. So to start, you're going to want to make a slip knot with your yarn. Then place that end tail against the back of your work like that and pinch it with your fingers so you have a little bit of tension. Now you're going to put your hook through the stitch, and this is for a standing single crochet stitch. You're going to put your hook through the stitch like that, then yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and make your single crochet. And that is how a standing single crochet stitch is created, and all you have to do is just continue with your single crochet across. And this gives it that nice clean look without having chains in front. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to make the standing half a double crochet stitch. Again, we're going to start with a slip knot, and this is how you make that half a double crochet standing stitch. You're going to start with a slip knot, then go to your work. You're going to want to pinch the end tail again against your work like that. And since it's a half a double crochet, you're going to yarn over first, then put your hook through the stitch, then yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through all 3, and that is how you make a standing half a double crochet stitch. Now all you have to do is just continue with your half a double crochet stitches, and it'll give you this nice clean look without the chaining. For a standing half a double crochet stitch, we're going to start with a slip knot. Again, put your end tail at the back of your work like that. Pinch it with your finger. Now this time we're gonna yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through only 2, then yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. And that is a standing half a double crochet stitch. There's no chaining, it doesn't look messier, and there's a clean look to it.